Question number 19. In our society, the women are often blamed for giving birth to daughters. Can you explain why this is not correct? First of all, this is absolutely wrong thing that females are responsible for giving birth to daughter child or female child. Why this is so? As we know that gametogenesis are the two types of gametogenesis we have, that is spermatogenesis and oogenesis. In the spermatogenesis, there is a formation of male gamete takes place, means the sperm cells are made, and in the process of oogenesis there is a formation of ovum or egg cell or female gamete. Both the gametes are actually haploid, that means both the gametes are having 23 number of chromosomes. Now we have in a normal cell, if we talk about the 44 chromosomes we have, or we can say 23 pair of chromosomes, as we know that chromosomes are actually occur in pairs. Now among 23 pair of chromosomes, 22 pair of chromosomes are normal and we can call them allosomes. One pair of chromosome we have is sex chromosome. Now if we talk about the sex chromosome, we have a pair of chromosome, let's say XY chromosomes are the sex chromosomes, but this case is a normal case in which we are talking about a diploid cell, and diploid cell is having 23 pairs of chromosome. If we talk about the gametes, if we talk about the sperm cells and ovums, they are having 23 number of chromosomes only, among which they have 22 chromosomes as allosomes, normal chromosomes, and only one chromosome is the sex chromosome. At the time of formation of gametes, we know that let's suppose this is spermatogonia or oogonia or any of the germ cell which is going to give rise to the gamete. Now at the time of formation of gamete, from a pair of sex chromosome, only one chromosome of sex chromosome will go into the gamete. This is a by chance factor whether the X will go into the gamete or the Y will go into the gamete. This is a by chance factor. So let's suppose if we take the male case and female case separately, let's write here male, this here we have female. We are talking about the sperm cells and here we are talking about the ovum cell. Now in the case of females, the females will have only XX chromosomes, XX sex chromosomes, and XY chromosomes are present in the males. Now at the time of formation of ovum, it will receive 22 chromosomes normal and one chromosome as sex chromosome, and that one sex chromosome in the female gamete will always be X only. This will be X only, as the normal cell of any female which is going to give rise to the female gamete is having a pair of sex chromosome containing only XX. The sex chromosome in oogonia is XX. At the time of formation of female gamete or ovum, it will receive only X. Now in the case of male, the spermatogonia having a pair of chromosome having X and Y as sex chromosome. Now at the time of formation of sperm cell or male gamete, it can receive, there is a by chance factor, or we can say the 50% of the sperm will receive the X chromosome as sex chromosome and 50% of the sperm cells will receive Y as sex chromosome. Now at the time of fertilization, it is also a by chance factor. At the time of fertilization, whether the X will fertilize this ovum containing X chromosome or whether this sperm containing Y chromosome will fertilize the egg or ovum. If in case at the time of fertilization this egg is fertilized with, this egg is containing X already, this egg is if fertilized with the sperm cell containing X chromosome, then the zygote formed will transform into female fetus or female child. And if in case this ovum containing X chromosome already, if fertilizes with the sperm containing Y chromosome, then this zygote will transform into male child. So here, from here you can clearly see and clearly understand that who is actually responsible for the sex of the child. This is very clear from this that only the male is responsible for the sex of the child, not the female is responsible for the sex of the child, as female gamete are always having X chromosomes, and male can have both X or can have Y chromosome. So this is the answer of this question, that when the society actually blames women for giving birth to the female child, this is actually wrong, as the males are the only responsible factors for the female childs.